Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video, and this video is for the Southwest Indian 2025-26 cyclone season, and we have update on our system. We have update on Horacio, so let's get into this. As you can see, Horacio is currently a tropical cyclone on the meteorological scale, FDR or MDR scale. Currently located. Let's go into of our scale. Horacio is currently located 12,000 kilometers or 782.9 miles east of Reunion. It has winds of 75 miles per hour, 2 to 10 maintain as a tropical cyclone on the MRR FR scale. It is moving southwest at 9 miles per hour or 15 kilometers per hour. Pressure is at 986. Not make a mistake. The last video. Center location is negative 18.5 south. 67.5. As you can see, Rossio is currently right here. Expected to be a tropical. So before it strengthened up to an intense tropical cyclone for I think another day, and then it will weaken down to a tropical cyclone on the 25th of February. On the 28th of between the 28th and the 23rd and the 26th or 25th, I think, it will weaken down to a severe tropical storm. I believe it's the 27th this happens. On the 27th, it will weaken into a moderate tropical, and it will weaken to the point where it's not even going to be recognized as a tropical disturbance. But this island, again, no threat to life, or no threat to islands, or no threat to life at all. Again, this island right should be aware that if they get some rainfall from this, it probably won't be significant like it did a couple of times. And yeah, they get some winds, maybe 30, 30 to 50 miles per hour, but we don't actually know what the wind. So yeah, with that being said, this is Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.